What is up, guys? So today I'm gonna do a little bit of a Balisong challenge for you guys. I'm gonna try to do 50 aerials back to back, and aerials like this. Okay, so I'm gonna try to do 49 more of those. Then, depending on how I feel, maybe I'll go for more. But did I just cut myself? I almost just cut myself. But anyways, okay, let's do it. I'm gonna use a stopwatch. You guys know I don't use any, video magic. So let's go. 49 to go. Halfway. Some coffee. Back. 35. Now is where it gets a little nerve-wracking. The last 15. 39. Okay, 40. Okay, 10 more. 1. 42. Keep going, man. Alright, I'm gonna keep going. But that's 50. And I challenge anybody else. Do 50, it's cool, Try not to cut yourself. Be safe about it. You're the trainer if you're still beginning. Or take your blade. Okay, but I'm gonna keep going. Let's see what I can get. The challenge is 50. If I catch it a little sketchy, I'm still gonna count it. I got to catch it again. 60. Oh. 63. Oh, 64. Almost killed myself twice. For you guys. 65. Oh. 70. Alright, we're getting a little group going now. Whoa! Oh man. 75. 89. 90. Okay, if I get to 100, I'm just calling it. Okay, I didn't cut myself. Good challenge. Somebody wants to beat it. It's not impossible. It's very, very possible to beat it. $97. 98. 99, 100.
Hey,
Okay,
gotta
that's
call it.
100 in 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Okay, this was just a challenge I thought would be fun. Thanks to Andy Schrock, who tried the 50 kickflips, for inspiring me. Also thanks to John Hill for trying to do 100 water bottle flips, even though he didn't get it. I still love his channel, and yeah, so everybody smash that like button. If it gets over 500 likes, I'll do something stupid. Or something. See you later.